Hey there, Halloween enthusiasts! Get ready to transform your home into a haunted haven with our 2-pack Halloween decorations, perfect for both indoor and outdoor settings. These spooky ghost decorations, complete with remote-controlled string lights, will add an eerie glow to your porch, yard, or garden, creating the ultimate Halloween atmosphere. Standing tall at 59 to 60 inches, these sturdy ghosts are easy to assemble and resilient against the wind, ensuring they remain the centerpiece of your Halloween display. With the convenience of a remote control, you can effortlessly set the mood by timing the lights to automatically turn off after 6 hours, making your Halloween setup as seamless as possible. Whether you're hosting a party or just want to spook up your space, these ghostly figures are sure to amaze your guests and add a touch of mystery and horror to your festivities. So, plan your Halloween decorations now and make this year's holiday one to remember with these enchanting ghost lights. Happy haunting! Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.